Namaste, good evening. This is your guide Sarath. Today I am in West Bengal. In West Bengal, they have one big city and oldest city, the city we call Kolkata. And Kolkata is the heritage city in India. And today I have chance to visit a special area. That area we call St. Paul Church. And that church started in British time, and the church is beautifully decorated with European and Indian style, and the church is more attracted. And today I have chance to visit that church, and I make a small video for my viewers, for my family members. The church community did not allow every side to make video. They allow some area. In that area I record about the church and I make a small video. That one also very nice. And this one is very oldest church, like 1848 that when we started. And that one is the north part of India's biggest church. If you have time to join Calcutta, then definitely visit that area, and nearby you can find some beautiful places. That all places are more interesting. Okay, then I say thank you and namaste. We meet again in one new video.